Hi everyone, so today we're going to make some wild orange chocolate mousse. I'm actually making this for a dinner party tonight, so I've been a bit frantic in the kitchen today and I thought why not film this so that you guys can see how easy and quick it is to make, and then I can get it in the fridge and it'll be ready for dinner tonight. So the ingredients for this is a cup of avocado, and of course it has to be nice and ripe. So I bought these avocados at the markets last week and they're perfect for a mousse today. We've got some cacao. Now I spoke about this in the superfoods, but I have this a few times a week in smoothies and different cakes and chocolates and stuff. High in manganese, iron, many other different things, antioxidants. So make sure, and it's nothing like commercial chocolate, guys. Commercial chocolate is heated, it's got sugar added to it, emulsifiers, all sorts of stuff. It's nothing like it. This is pure raw cacao, very different and very good for you. We have our delicious coconut nectar, which is going to give the mousse a nice sweet flavour. We have the coconut oil, which is again quite solid today. It's again very cold here today. The wind went crazy last night. Things got blown down and broken pot plants and all sorts of things. So this is lecithin. Now when you buy lecithin, make sure that it's GMO free. Okay, you can specifically ask for that in the health shop. They really shouldn't be selling it if it's not in the health shop, but you never know, things get hidden. So the lecithin is going to give your mousse a really nice creaminess to it. And then of course we have a little bit of salt. It's going to bring out the sweetness. We have some vanilla extract. You can also use vanilla beans. If you have the pod, you can scrape the little beans inside. This is just for easiness. And we have coconut milk, which I made this morning. You can also use your almond milk or any other nut milk, but I like the coconut milk for this mousse. It's just got a little bit of sweetness to it. So we're pretty much ready to go. This all goes into the Vitamix. So of course, the only thing you really need for this is your Vitamix, and that's pretty much it. Everything else is ready. So let's go get it in the Vitamix and let me show you how easy this is. I missed something. This is doTERRA wild orange drops. No, it's not. It's the wrong one. So just, well, I checked. This is the wild orange. So I've got quite a few of these. I also have a mint one. So if you want to make chocolate minty mousse, it's the same thing. But today we're going to do wild orange. And don't just buy orange from the supermarket in these little bottles. It has to be doTERRA or one of the ones that specifically say that it's safe to ingest. And this is. So doTERRA, you can actually get it online. If you don't know anyone near you that is a distributor, you can order it online and it comes to you. So this is what's going to give your mousse the nice orange flavour. So we can get started. We're going to start and put everything in. So we have the avocado, and then the cacao, coconut nectar. And of course, you've got the recipe on the PDF, so if I miss out telling you how much of the quantity I'm putting in, you've got it on a PDF. We're going to do the lecithin last. Coconut. And the cup and a half of coconut milk. I'm going to leave that open because I always check the consistency once I've done my little blast. So here we go. Just going to have a little taste. Nice. Okay, so the lecithin is going to make this much more creamy. It's delicious now, but this is just going to make it more creamy. I always put this in right at the end. Probably shouldn't do it through the little hole like this, but make things easier. Okay, so I'm just going to give that another little blast up now. I'm just going to taste it with the lecithin. It really does make a big difference. I'm just going to give it another little blast though, because the granules haven't quite broken down. And then, at the very end, I'm going to drop in. Now this is very strong. This is, and even when I take the top off, man, that's so nice. So I'm going to put in 2 drops, and then I'm going to do a taste. 1, 2. A little blast up. Okay, now I'm going to have a little taste just to make sure that the lecithin's broken down and the orange is orange enough. Oh my God. That is so good. That is so crazy good, you've no idea. Oh, I love this. I love having dinner parties because I know when I taste these things that people's face when they eat this, they're just going to go, are you for real? Okay, so what we have to do is let that set. So I'm going to pour it into the little pots that I use for the mousse. Put them away. So these people that are coming for dinner tonight, they had their first raw meal with me a few weeks ago, and they were very, very blown away. So of course, I have to make it even better tonight, so that they start to eat better. These little pots, again, I got at the market, Bangalore. A lady makes them. She made them specially for me, these ones actually, because I wanted something just to do mousse in chocolate and desserts and things. So you can see this. It's thick, but it's obviously not set, because what's going to happen now is I'll put this in the fridge, and what will happen is the coconut oil will start to solidify, and that's what makes the mousse quite firm. So that's why I want a good few hours before everyone gets here. You shouldn't be doing this really if you're in a restaurant, but I'm not in a restaurant, I'm in my kitchen. Oh my God. Love it, I love it, I love it. I got right in the bottom. Okay, this is enough. Normal, enough. Okay, so that's them all in their little pots. I'm just going to tidy this up a little bit. It can get very messy when you're pouring it out. And then, a good thing to do is just to give it a little tap. And what that does is it just gets everything right to the bottom of your serving bowl. This looks nice in glasses as well, you know, the nice kind of champagne glasses. Okay, so we're going to put that in the fridge and let that set. And then in a couple of hours, I'm going to go out to my little orange tree and pick a fresh orange from the tree, and I'm going to slice it up and just put a little piece of fresh orange on the top of each of those little mousse. So that'll be much more set then. So this dish is going to be a hit, whoever. I mean, people have to love chocolate, don't they? Because life is just better with chocolate, isn't it? So this is one of the dishes that you will seriously impress everybody with, and how easy is that? Avocado to make it nice and rich and creamy. So that's your wild orange chocolate mousse. Enjoy.